Changing your phone number on Apple Music is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID that is linked to your Apple Music account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the For You tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Account Information. This is where you can manage your contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. You may need to verify the new number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your new information is updated in your account. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be changed on Apple Music. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.